How to use 2-Apple ID on iPhone. If you want to use 2-Apple ID on your iPhone, all you have to do is first of all, go ahead and then make sure to launch your settings application here. Once you launch your settings app, this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now from here, what you have to do is to simply tap on your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen. Then just go to the option called Family. Now this is a simple trick that you can use if you want to go ahead and then basically use more than 2 Apple IDs by simply setting up Family, tapping on the plus icon or the add icon from the top right of the screen. Then over here you can simply invite others or create a child account to begin logging in to your new Apple ID right here. This way you can use 2 Apple IDs on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.